Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your password must be at least 8 characters in Apple ID. If you are using any iPhone or iPad and you're trying to create a new Apple ID or you're trying to change your Apple ID password and you're facing this type pop-up issues again and again, which is weak password, your password must be at least 8 characters long and include a number, an uppercase letter and a lowercase letter. So let's see how can you fix this issue. So basically, it happens when you're trying to create a new password, but your password is not the minimum requirement of Apple ID password. So let's see how can you create a new password. So open your Apple ID section. I'm gonna make it in my here in the black sheet. Here, you just have to try to enter at least one capital letter. So it might be anything from here. Let's say I'm going to select this one here. Once I've entered, now you have to try to add one or two or more numbers which you can remember. Then go to alphabetical section again. Here you can try to enter anything, the name of any your specific thing, or you can also try to enter anything randomly. So avoid to use the common numbers here, or avoid to use common words here. And once I've done, just enter any more number, or you can also try to add different symbols. So once I have done, just add them. So you can enter this. There's a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it's now from here it's 8 character long. You can easily add more than 8 character, but there's a minimum requirement is 8 character. So you have to also enter an uppercase letter, a lowercase letter, a symbol, and a number. So it might be the best password for your Apple ID, or you can create your own by using this type format. So in this way, once I've created this type Apple ID password, you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.